these millimeters for free.
Ali.
And if you have Medicare, your testing supplies may also be Arriva makes it simple. They bill Medicare directly. There are no upfront costs. And they deliver your supplies right to your door for free.
And if you call 1-800-704-2021 today, you get free Betty Crocker Diabetes Cookbook filled with delicious recipes. That's 1-800-704-2021.
Call Arriva.
Is that what you're supposed to be doing?
Glad you did.
Ali. Ali. Don't do it. Don't do it. You get back in here.
What? It doesn't have an antihistamine. Really? Alka-Seltzer Plus Golden Cough fights your worst cold symptoms, plus has a fast-acting antihistamine to relieve your runny nose. Thank you. You're welcome.
Yeah, you come right back in here. Come on. Come on. Get back here. Ali.
Sinus congestion and pain.
You get back here. You get back here.